be bad if I open them just to see what nappies look like. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If you don't know me, my name is Aduke from MissDukes_XO over on Instagram. Please go over and check me out. So in today's video, I am doing another pregnancy video for you, and I am actually going to be showing you what's inside the Emma's Diary pack and the Bounty pack that you can get free when you are pregnant. So if this is the kind of video that you want to see, please keep watching. Talk you through each of the packs. So for Emma's Diary, you do actually get 2 packs, which is the Bump to Baby and the Mum to Be pack, and then for the Bounty pack you just get 1 pack basically, and yeah, there's some goodies inside. So for the Bounty pack, I actually got mine from Asda, but you can get it from various different stores. I think Tesco as well do it, and a few other places. And Emma's Diary, you can get it from Boots or Argos or some supermarkets as well, I believe. So the way in which you get these packs is you do have to download the apps, so the Bounty app and the Emma's Diary app, and you will just go to the section that has free stuff or free offers. I'll put a screen recording on the screen so you can see, and then you have to redeem it when you're in store. So you go to the tills and they basically get the packs for you, and you press redeem and they scan it, and then it's done. I actually got my Bounty pack in Asda, and I got it from the pharmacy section, and in Boots I just went to the tills to get the Emma's Diary packs, and they just went out the back and got it for me. So I haven't actually opened them yet. I actually got these packs quite a few months ago now, and I have actually just been waiting to do this video to see what's inside them. So let's just get started. So for the Emma's Diary packs, you get 2, so it will say gift pack 1 and gift pack 2 on them. So one's Bump to Baby and then the other one is Mum to Be. So let me open Mum to Be first and see what's inside. Okay, there's a few freebie samples here and some leaflets. So let me just go through the leaflets first. So we've got an Able & Cole voucher. I'm going to be honest, I have never actually heard of Able & Cole before. This says that we're bringing you organic, sustainable food you can trust is what we're all about. So it's basically a green growers, I think. It looks like a subscription service, so that's money off for that. Then the next voucher, £15 off of Bother. WeBother.co.uk, your household basics basically. So I guess that's £15 off your first order. When you spend a minimum of £40, that sounds quite good. Never heard of them before, so that's another option. Then we've got an advice card here, and actually it tells you all about the symptoms of preeclampsia. Now I'm almost in my 3rd trimester tomorrow. I will be 28 weeks, which is the start of your 3rd trimester, and I believe that preeclampsia is much more common in your 3rd trimester. So it's something that I need to read up on, because I have absolutely no idea about preeclampsia. So knowing the symptoms of that will be really helpful. So I'm going to have a read of that card. Then we've got another shopping voucher here. This is for shop and scan, is it? Lots of food vouchers here. Are they trying to say something? Then a voucher for Sky Q, an offer for Pregnacare. I don't actually use Pregnacare. I stopped taking it at my first, well, when I had my first booking in appointment. My midwife said I didn't need to take it, so I don't. Then we've got the samples now. So we've got this sample for something called Gintima. I hope I've said that right. But it looks like it's to help against stretch marks, so that's always a plus. If you've seen my previous videos of my 2nd trimester must-haves, you'll know that I've kind of gone in with the stretch mark prevention, so I've got another one now to add to the collection. So it's just a small sample, so I might give that a go and see what that's like. And then the other samples here, we've got a very small box of Pregnacare. It's just 1 tablet per day. You get 7 tablets in here, so it's a good little sample if you wanted to use it. I know that some people actually get really sick or feel very nauseous on Pregnacare. That never happened to me when I was taking it, but you know, a few extra vitamins can't hurt. The final thing is we've got a pack of Lansino breast pads. Now you do get 2 pads within this pack, so that's probably something that I could probably put in my hospital bag. Actually, I don't actually have any of these yet. I don't actually have anything for my hospital bag yet, so yeah, that's gonna go in my hospital bag. So that is everything in the first pack, which is the mum to be pack. And then we have pack number 2, which is the bump to baby app. So let's see what's in here. This one feels a bit heavier actually. Tell you what guys, I love a freebie. This one looks quite good. Okay, so we've got similar vouchers in here. We've got, if there's one thing that you need when you're pregnant, it's probably going to be Anusel. So how lovely for them to tell us about that. Then again, we've got another voucher for Pregnacare. We've got an Ocado voucher, so 30% off your first grocery and free deliveries for 3 months. So that's very nice. I mean, you need as much freebies as you can get when you're pregnant, because let me tell you, getting baby stuff is expensive. So I appreciate all these vouchers in here. There's a booklet here, and it looks like it's to do with stem cell. I don't actually know anything about stem cells, so that's quite interesting. I'm going to have a read of that one. And then we've got the samples. There's quite a few samples in here actually, guys. So we've got water wipes in here, which is great. I'm going to let you into a secret. I had never heard of water wipes until I got pregnant. I didn't know they existed, so now I know, and now I actually have a sample. And this is probably something else that I could pack in my hospital bag to take for the baby when the baby's first born. When the baby's fresh out the womb, they do say to just use cotton wool and water, but I've heard that that can be a bit of a faff. So I would much rather use water wipes. So I'll stick it in my hospital bag and see. I'll also take cotton wool as well, but I think that would be quite good just to use and have in my hospital bag. Again, we've got some more Lansino breast pads, so I'll take them as well. You can't go wrong with 4. Then next, breast milk storage bags, again from Lansino. Again, another thing I didn't even know existed before I got pregnant, so that's good to know. I have actually got some on my list to buy. I didn't know Lansino did breast milk storage bags, but they do, so there we go. And then this Bepanthen Nappy Care ointment. So I've heard of Bepanthen before actually, and it's supposed to be quite good as like a barrier cream, I believe, before putting on a baby's nappy. It's 20 grams. So this is the size that you get. This is what it looks like. I'll put that in the baby's hospital bag. But then, does a baby really need things like this straight away? Like, they're just fresh out the womb. I don't know. It's something that I'm going to have to find out, because I believe these things are only necessary if maybe the baby's like allergic to nappies or comes up with a rash or something like that. I don't know. I probably wouldn't necessarily put this straight on to a baby's skin when it's fresh out of the womb. And the next thing is almost like they've heard me. I am swearing by this brand throughout my pregnancy so far, and it's this Mamma Mia brand, and they've given you a free sample of this tummy rub butter. I actually have the full size of this and I am loving it. I swear by it. It smells beautiful. It smells like you're in a spa. Okay, so that's everything that you get in the 2-pack from Emma's Diary. So now I'm going to show you what you can get in the Bounty pack, which I've got to say is bigger and heavier. It's weightier. So let's have a look. So again, we have got some vouchers. We've got quite a big booklet here. There's Bounty buying guide. I'll have a little read of that to see what they're going to tell me. And then we have, so we've got a voucher for this Beaming Baby. Never heard of them. Don't know what they do. Oh, it looks like they do biodegradable nappies, organic wipes and baby bath products. So that'll be interesting to have a little look on their website. So now for the samples, there's some quite nice samples in here. We've got a sample of Sudocrem, and also on the back there's some vouchers as well. So 50p off or 25p off. So I might actually have to use that. I don't know where, but I can try and get that in Boots or somewhere. So yeah, little pot of Sudocrem. And then, oh my god, is this for real? They have put in here a newborn vest. Oh my god, how nice is this? And it says born to be loved. So cute, so cute. And then the pièce de résistance, you get a full pack of nappies. So it's Alistair's own brand, I believe. It's called Little Angels and then Newborn. They're in a size 1. You get 24 nappies in here. So this is definitely going in baby's bag. I have absolutely no nappies at the moment. Is it really bad if I open them just to see what nappies look like? But I don't want to open them, I just want it to stay fresh. That's the one good thing. Get your bounty pack from Asda, because I believe that they always have this pack of nappies in their packs. I don't know if you go anywhere else what they give you. So that is everything. Just to summarize, I actually really like the pack. When you have freebies, they're not normally all that good. I would say that the bounty pack is probably a bit better than the Emma's Diary pack, but together they make up a really nice pack. You've got stuff for your hospital bag, you've got stuff for the baby's hospital bag in them. So together they make a great combination. There's quite an excessive amount of vouchers and leaflets in them, but they could be quite useful to somebody nonetheless. So overall, very happy with these packs. I hope that's given you some idea of what you can get in the packs. I don't know if it varies depending on where you are in the country. So that's it from me. If you did enjoy this video, please give me a like and subscribe. Leave me any comments down below. Please do let me know what videos that you will want to see in the future. I feel like my channel is becoming more and more pregnancy baby related, but if that's okay with you, I'm just going to keep on doing so, as that currently is my life right now. And if you haven't already, please go and check me out on Instagram. Again, it's missdukes_xo, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.